Welcome boys to our computer class. Today we are going to learn how to add audio, video and slide transition effect, animation and slideshow a little bit more about in MS PowerPoint. Let's see. Let's open our previous file, the one which we have created in MS PowerPoint. Look here, adding sound. In our presentation, when we are making a presentation, we can record a sound and we can put it inside our presentation. During our slideshow, we can play that sound. So with your own voice itself, you can record any sound. This is our presentation. For recording a sound, we have already learned about hyperlink and all here. You can use this recorder. You can use this sound recorder, which is already there in our Windows. You can use this sound recorder. This is you can find this in every Windows computer. For recording sound, you can click here, start recording, and you can record here. While I'm speaking right now also, it will be recorded here, and we can, so whatever you want to speak about the topic or about the presentation, you can record it like this and you can play it during your presentation. This is very much easy. So I'll stop for now. So where do you want to save? Now I want to save this in desktop for our demonstration purpose. Class 9 audio. I have saved it. Now after saving the audio file, it may be other audio file. So we have recorded one audio file and save it in our desktop for our demonstration. So let's open our MS PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint, and which slide you want to insert, select that one. If I want to insert here, go to first step is we have to go to insert tab. After that, audio, media group, audio. There is a drop down button here. You can select from here, record the audio from my PC or online audio. You can any of the file, you can edit from here. So I have already saved my audio file in my PC. That's why I will choose the between this one option, which is here, audio on my PC. And now a browser will open up, a dialog box will open up. So I'll search where is that audio file. I save it in desktop. Now you will choose, this is the one, insert. So we have inserted this audio as an object here. I can keep anywhere. So let me put it here. When you want to play this, you have your computer should be connected with the internet or a speaker, the one which you are giving presentation. During the presentation, if you are giving a audio file or video file into that media, then your that system should be connected with the speaker so that they can listen the audio file. Finished. Now after selecting the audio, there are different tools available here in audio tools. Maybe a format, playback, no style, play in background, volume you can increase and click on play. Volume you can put it high, medium or mute, and fade in. You can trim the audio file. So we can do many other things, and you can listen from here also, and you can play it from here also. So we have added audio as an object here in our PowerPoint presentation. It's very easy. And after that, next one is inserting video from a file. Similar, if you want to insert a video, I have made a video, and you have to select first in which slide you want to insert video. Let's insert in this second slide. Same thing, same step. Go to insert tab, media group, and after that video. You can directly click on this one, or you can click on the drop down button. After drop down button, you want to search the video from online. Let's see from here. I think it's a little bit slow or hang. Nine chapter, maybe 11. Let me search. I cannot find. So let me insert a video from my PC. I downloaded a small clip about Bruce Lee. So make sure the video is ready or inserted into your computer before inserting into your Microsoft PowerPoint. So video from my PC, and where is that video? Here is it. You can select and preview from here also. Look here. So insert. So we have inserted a video. You can place it anywhere in your presentation. So for video also it's same thing. After selecting the video, when you go to this playback, you can find different tools for video. You can trim the video, you can fade in, fade out, you can do some editing features here in PowerPoint, and when the video is going to play, you can set that one also by clicking on here, on click, or automatically play in full screen also, hide while not playing. You can set it all the settings here, and let me see. So previously we have learned how to add sound as an object, and here we have learned how to add video as an object. So let's see presentation slideshow from the beginning. Look here the video. This is your presentation, and you can directly click here and you can play while your presentation. This is during the presentation. You can fast forward also. This is next slide, and this is the audio file. While clicking here, you can hear the sound, that the one which we have recorded. You can play during this presentation. During the presentation, you can play the sound, the one which you have inserted into your presentation. This is very useful if you want, if you forgot something what you have to say, and it is very important that you want to already record and put it inside your presentation. Then you can do it this way. You can previously, before the presentation, you can record your topic about the topic explanation, and you can put it inside your presentation. This is very useful. Next slide, finished. So let's go to the next topic, slide transition effect. Slide transition effect is very easy. I think in smaller class also you have already learned. So this is the transition between from one slide to another slide. So it is the effect which we are going to add, the transition between the slide to another slide. So why we are adding this one? We are adding this one because we need to attract the audience so that they give attention to the presentation. So it's very important to grab the attention of the audience. So if you use like more flying things, they may get bored also. So while choosing the animation effect, choose carefully so that they don't get bored. Here there is no sign of transition effect. Look here. So if you want to add a transition effect, select the slide which you want to add the transition effect and go to the transition tab, and you can select from here. There are different type of transition over here. If you click on more also, there are different type. When you apply this one, look here, the symbol which appear this, if this small star appear beside your transition first slide, then this slide is already added, this transition, slide transition. And second slide also you can select here. If you select like this randomly, you can apply like this single by checking, and you can preview also. This is preview, automatically it's being preview, and you can add different one. Look here, the effect option, maybe you can change the effect option also. If you want to apply this one to all, from right, from top to bottom, and you can select this apply to all. If you want to apply to all other slide, you can directly select apply to all, and it will automatically apply to all the slides that you have created, like this. Next is, you can decrease or increase the duration of your slide, transition slide, and you can add the sound from here also. If you don't want to add any sound, select this one, and if you want to go automatically after previous, then after select and click the second you want to choose, set the time. If it is only mouse click, then for every transition you have to click the left click, single click mouse from your single click from your mouse, and that slide will go on changing, keep on changing. So for transition it ends here. It's very easy. Select the slide, select the animation from here, and if you click on more, and you can select different transition effect from here, and if you select particular for this one, you can apply like this. And there are different effect here after selecting the animation, and you can add sound, duration, you can increase or decrease the duration, and apply to all. If you want to apply to all the slide, and here mouse clicking, or automatically by setting the time, you can set it from here. Next is animating effect to an object. Object means it may be text, or it may be shapes, it may be pictures. To the object, the one which we have inserted in our PowerPoint presentation, you can add effect, animation effect. That for adding animation effect, you have to select this one, animation, and you have to select the object to which you want to add. If I want to add to demo presentation, look here. After I have selected the text file or the object, it's been highlighted. Before, if I didn't select anything, then it's not highlighted. So after selecting, it's been highlighted, and I can select from here. So there are different type of animation for object you can find here. Entrance effect. In entrance effect, there are different types of effect: flying, appear, fade, and floating, split, wipe, shapes, like that. There are different types, and in faces also. So what is this type? Entrance. Entrance is the animation which will apply to your object. It'll make an entrance, it'll make an entry to your presentation if you apply from this category. And if you already apply also, you can select none later on. By selecting the object, it will remove the animation from the object. And after that, emphasis means it will give an attention to the audience, and it will make some animate to the object, maybe like spinning, glowing, look here, darken, lighten, and field color. Like there are different types of animation effect, pearls. You can check it out later on. If you have computer also, you can check it out at home, or if you don't have, you can check it out at school later on. So like this, there are small animation. It will give attention to the audience, and it will highlight the object during the presentation. And in exit group, it will exit from your presentation. This animation group is nothing. It will go out from your presentation. That object will go out from your presentation. It will make exit effect from your presentation. It will move out. So there are different types of animation here: disappear, fade, fly out, float out, split, wipe, shape, wheel, random bar. Like this, there are different types of animation which is available in exit effect. And motion path. In motion path, look here, there are different types. You can customize your path also, and there are already predefined motion path, and you can select this one, and it will give an effect to your object, but it will move to a option. It will move according to a path. That path is already defined here, and you can define that path also with your own choice. Okay, let's apply to our object one by one. Now let's add the first effect here. In our first object, we have already selected the object. I'll choose any of the, I'll choose from here, random bar. It will appear like this. After selecting, you can change as before. You can change the effect option, and you can change this one, maybe automatic or with after previous. After previous, I'll select this one. After previous means after the previous animation, it will automatically start this animation. Select the object. I'm going to use this one. On click after previous, all will set automatic here. Shape, it may be different shape. You can select any one. Circle. After previous, you can set a duration also. You can increase or decrease the duration by clicking on this two button up and down. You can increase or decrease the animation effect. Here, let me check here. Look, these are all automatic after previous, so there is no time set. Let me view it from the beginning. So this is our slide transition. Automatic. I didn't click anything. After the previous effect, it's already started going automatically. So if you want to make this little slower, then you can set the time over there, and you can increase the time like that. Let me delete it and let me exit. First slide is already set, entrance effect, and second slide, select the object, animation, which one you want to, transparency mode. So I'll add it into transparency mode. After previous, 50%, 25% effect, maybe 50%. So each and every object you can select, and you can after previous, this also tweak after previous, spin after previous, select this object, color object, select like this after previous. You can set the time here, duration, you can increase or decrease. I'll not change anything from here. And you can set the start order, means maybe after previous or with the previous, or while clicking the mouse it will only activate. So here I have done for setting up the second slide. And third slide, let me select the object. After that, exit effect, it will exit like this. So after previous, select this object, and shape will vanish like this in a shape. So after previous, will vanish everything from the presentation. Third, select this one. I'll add some motion effect. Here, select this object. I'll add another motion effect like this. After previous, I've already set motion effect in slide number 4. So in our presentation, we have added a different kind of animation effect, like here in Animate, we have added some entrance effect, emphasis effect. We have added in different slides. We have added exit effect. We have added motion path. I'll add this one only a custom motion path. Look here, custom path. I'll start from here. It'll move like this. It'll move like this. It'll move like this. It's going to move like that. That is custom path I have already set. And this one I want it after 3 years. I don't want to click. So last one, let me click on this one. I'm going to click it with my mouse, and it's going to activate that motion path. So here ends applying this animation effect in our presentation. We can change the order of the animation effect in animation pane. Let's see from the beginning. These are all automatic. I didn't click anything. Here for slide transition, I didn't set any automatic. I have to click for. Look here, the changes. I didn't click anything. It starts automatically. Here you can watch Bruce Lee movie. Next slide. Here, this one is exit. So in exit effect, everything is exit. Everything exit from our presentation. So it's empty here. Next slide. Yeah. This is the motion path, predefined path. Finished. And this is the custom path. I have I have to click this one for activating it. That is custom motion path, the one which we have set. Here comes the end. We didn't put anything here. These are charts. Finished. So we have learned about animation effect in our presentation. Defining the slide setting here. If you want to slide, so from the beginning you have to select this one. If you want to start from the current slide, then you have to select your current slide here, and you have to click on this one, current slide. You will start from your current slide, the one which you have selected, like that. And you can create a custom slide here. Look here. Here I have 7 slides. If I want to create a custom slide, so you can new, and you can select uh, selected. You can name it any other. You can select slide number 2, this and this. 1 2 3 4. We have selected 4 slide. Okay, close. Now if you want to play that custom slide, you can open your PowerPoint presentation, and after that custom slide show, selected slide. Here I have named this one selected slide. You can directly click on this one and it will start playing, or it will start your presentation, the one which you have selected the slide. Look here, I have selected this slide. It start automatically from that slide, and this slide, this slide, I think this is the last slide. I have selected only 4 slide. Finished. Here like this you can add a custom slide. So custom slides you can prepare by, and you can prepare other also. For selecting, look here, you have to go to the slideshow tab, and after that slideshow, start slideshow group, select the custom slideshow and custom shows, and you can create a new one, or you can remove the selected slide, remove new, and you can select the slides, the one which you have created, and you can omit the slides which you don't want to add in this new selected one. So select from here, add, okay, rename it here, custom name, you can rename it here, and okay, and when you place it here, it will appear here in next time like that, the previous one which you have created, and you can do like that. You can create a custom slide. The last topic is printing or presentation. Why we are going to print our presentation, the slides. Look here, for printing you have to select this print, and you can print like this. My printer, this one is black and white printer. So let me select this one, it's color printer. Look, you can print full screen, full page slides. There are different options available here. Note, you can make some notes for this presentation. This is page number 1 2 3 4 like this. And another one is outline. You can print only the outline of your slide. This much only outline. Any other, others are pictures and all. And one slide per pages. You can print like this, or 2 slide per pages, like this, 2 slide per pages, and 3 slide per pages with the notes. So there are different types: 6 slides, 9 slides. I don't have 9 slides, that's why it's in here. So these are handouts. Why we are going to print this one? If you want to give your slides to the audience so they can view your slides, it's called a handout. You can print like this and give to your audience. So that while giving presentation they can look your handout and they can see, or if they have any doubt they can ask question from your handouts. So here comes the end of our chapter number 12. For printing, you have your computer should be connected with the internet. So this chapter number 12 is very short and very easy also. Look here, here you can find some question and answer and fill in the blanks and all here in our textbook. It's very easy. Let's end here. Thanks for watching.